Hello, and welcome to V2 Cloud Tutorials. In this quick guide, you will learn how to download and install the V2 Cloud application for Windows. Step 1. Go to the following link and click on Download for Windows. Step 2. Open the location where V2 Cloud is downloaded, right-click, and run as administrator. Windows.NET Framework 3.5 might need to be installed if you don't have it already. Once the V2 Cloud application has finished installing, it will open automatically. Step 3. Click on Login with V2, then a new browser tab will open, where you will need to enter your login credentials. Upon signing in, you will be redirected back to the Windows application. From here, you can log in via RDP to your V2 Cloud computer. Step 4. Double-click on the cloud computer and an RDP window will pop up. No need to enter any credentials here, everything is pre-filled. Just click on Connect. If you get another pop-up after clicking Connect, just click the box to Never Ask Again for connections to this computer and click on Connect. You have successfully connected to your cloud computer using the V2 Cloud Windows application. To minimize, close, or set in windowed mode the RDP connection, just locate the blue control bar on top of your screen. It should look like this. That is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.